Hi everybody, I just want to share another little secret with you. Now we have got the Bailey Unicorn Series 4 Cabrera, and like a lot of the Baileys now, it comes with USB sockets. So if you can see the spotlight, this is above the settee and that's got a USB socket in it. And if we go to the spotlight over the other side of the sofa, that's got a USB socket in it. Now here's the thing, there's two of these at the front over the sofas and two of these over the island bed at the back of the van, which is great because that gives us 4 USB sockets. Now here's the secret, if you feel at the back of that spotlight, you'll find another USB socket and you can then plug a second lead in. So what you've actually got, you haven't got 4 USB sockets in this caravan, you've got 8, because you've got 2 here, then you've got 2 more at the other side of the settee at the front of the van. Then here we are at the back of the van. This is where the spotlights are over the top of the bed. Hello Mrs. TT.
Hi.
And behind them again, if you feel, there are some more sockets. So there's 2 that side and then 2 on that side. 2 on that side at the front of the van and then 2 that side at the front of the van. 8 USB sockets in this van. If you've got a van like this, just feel around that spotlight and see if you've got those extra ones. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed and found this informative, and hit that red button and subscribe, because we could share some more secrets about these vans and other vans with you that you might not actually know. Thanks for watching and bye for now.